Hello guys, once again welcome back to the last recording of the technical interview. Only two of the sections are going to be included here, which are the section 4 and section 5 of the challenge. The section 4 status is the DevOps challenge, and the section 5 is infrastructure as a code, or the so-called Terraform challenge. So from now onwards I will show you on the section 4, which is the DevOps one. The first question is that download and extract WordPress file to where the host directory is bound to the container is the question. So if you may remember, while I was creating the VM, the Docker container, I mounted actually the VM. I created a shared folder which was opt maxim is mounted on the Docker, the VM, which is currently, let me remove what is in it. So I will download it and extract the WordPress here, and I will initialize the Git repository as per the questions. So let me copy the command to download the latest version of the WordPress. It's downloading. Once it is finished, we will extract and initialize the Git repository on it. At the same time, we will push it to the remote repository. Okay, it's going good. Yes, it finished. So as you can see here, the latest download is available. Let me make it executable. Okay. So let me extract it here. Here it is, the extracted one. So let me remove the zip one since I don't need it. Let me change it to the WordPress. Yes, so here they are the extracted files. Okay. The next one is to initialize a Git repository here. So let me do it. As you can see, currently it's not a Git directory. The command to initialize a Git repo is git init and the directory, which is the current one. Okay. Git status. Yes. Now, as you can see, the directory is initialized as a Git repo. So I have to add each file to the Git, and I can commit it. Git commit the same. Let me say git initializing maximum WordPress repo. Let's say it's like this. So now I can push it to the remote repository. Before that, I have to create a repository for it. Let me show you how I will create it on GitLab. Most of the time I use GitLab. I can say it is a culture in my current company. So let me share with the browser, and there I will create a repository. So as you can see, here is my Git repo. I have at least about 10 projects there, as you can see. So I will create a new one. Let me name it as Maxim WordPress under my home directory here. So let me initialize it with a readme file. Let me create it. So here it is created. So I can add it to my, let me copy it. Okay, let me better change the screen to the terminal. Okay, so let me add my remote repo. Let me fetch all. Yes, so for Git pipeline purposes, let me create GitLab CI file so that I can use it on changes to automatically deploy it. So let me add it. Git add. Actually, let me better push it first. I prefer to create a new Git branch. Check out. Let me name it as dev. Yes, as you can see now I am on branch dev and with all the files which is created from the master one. So let me push it. Git push. First of all I have to set up string to git branch. Set up string. Set upstream to origin dev. Yes, git push origin is upstream since it is the first time. Origin dev. Here it is pushing to the remote repo on the branch dev. So I will create a pipeline too for it. Actually, it was good if I did git ignore files. That an important file should not be pushed to the git. But it is my first time to honestly speak. I didn't work with WordPress so far, so I don't know which file is good and which file is bad to be in the git. So I am pushing everything. That is why it is taking longer. Now it pushed everything to the dev branch in the remote, so let me add the GitLab CI file. CI dot GitLab CI YAML file, and let me copy this one. So as you can see here, I have these variables: web directory, WordPress URL, and the project directory. So the question says that I must create a GitLab CI file so that it can download the latest version of what we call it. Come on, WordPress. Clone my repo and finally copy the WordPress into the project directory. So as you can see here, I stated the URL for WordPress so that it can download, and this is going to be my project directory. So directory on it, here I will clone my repo. So let me copy my remote repo, which is https wordpress.git. I will replace this one. Okay, git colon. Yes, so it will pull or clone my repo into the project directory, which is opt maximum WordPress. Then it will download the latest WordPress, and finally it will copy the contents into the web directory, and all it is about the GitLab CI file. So as I did changes on the remote repo, I have to add it and push into the remote also. Let me better commit it as GitLab CI added. Yes, push origin dev. Yes, so I pushed it. Let me check if there is a remaining thing. Actually, it is all in section 4 of the challenge. So let me show you if everything we did locally is reflected on the remote repo too. Okay, where we are. So here it is my WordPress repo. So I pushed the changes into the div. So here, as you can see, the pipeline actually failed. I don't know why. It couldn't resolve the GitLab domain. Actually, it's amazing why it can't resolve it. So basically, the idea creating the WordPress pipeline is actually done, even if the pipeline fails, and the reason was it cannot clone my repo. I don't think I made a mistake while I was copying it. It should be a network problem. So basically, the idea or the question is already included. As you can see here, I created a pipeline. Once WordPress is installed, configure and created, push the repository. I pushed the changes into the remote, and so I think I did everything good, and I think it's good enough on the section 4 part. I will advance into the section 5, which is the last one, which is infrastructure as a code. So here I will start by installing Terraform. I will let me install it on the VM directly. So let me change the screen to my terminal. here I am in the host area, the host computer. Let me SSH to the VM. Got it. See hosts SSH at maximum. So I am inside the VM that is here we can request which is Alman Linux. So let me change my directory to opt. Later I will create a directory. Let me name it Terraform. Okay. Move Terraform to Terraform. So I will download the Terraform. Or, let me copy the command to download it. Here it is. Okay. It's downloading. I wish if it was verbose. I didn't do it. Okay. Next. As you see, Terraform is downloaded, so let me unzip it. Unzip. So unzip is not available. I have to install it. Unzip. Okay. So unzip is installed. So now I can unzip and unzip. Okay. So I will copy Terraform into user local bin so that it can be executable or installed. So now Terraform is actually available. So it means I have successfully installed Terraform 1.7. So here I can create Terraform files to create. Let me read the question. So define infrastructure as a code, create a Terraform configuration, a Docker network for the container communication, a MySQL or MariaDB container with persistence storage, an Apache PHP container with WordPress bind mounted volumes. So I have a prepared script for it. So let me create another directory into it. Master. Let me say it for WordPress. Change for WordPress. Here let me create important Terraform files vi main.tf. Okay, so here okay, so what I have to do here is that let me copy the script I prepared on my Rambook to CTF file. Yes. So as you can see here, so I'm using this provider with MySQL the latest and WordPress with this image. and I set up in the variable the database root password as admin. I will create a word database WordPress inside the MySQL container. Okay. I will expose the WordPress with port 880. I will create a car network webnet as you can see here, and I will have a persistent storage which is Docker volumes as you see for WordPress and for the DB and the WordPress one. Okay, it will restart on each startup. Okay, so here is the WordPress container. Okay. Nice. This is good enough. So let me save it. So let me try to execute some Terraform commands. End of the div is okay. I think this part is not necessary. Yes, it's initializing the Terraform. Let's wait till it finishes. It's taking longer. Okay, it is taking longer. I'm sorry. So let me show you. I have set up the job in another machine as well. So let me show you here. Pages. Let me remove them. WordPress. Docker. Docker. Remove first of all the WordPress TV. So let me change my directory to Terraform here. I have the main TF, which is the exact same file on the previous machine. So as you can see, we have this. I have this one, same exact thing. So let me run the Terraform commands here. Terraform init. Okay, here it's initializing. Yes, it finished. Let me validate it. Terraform validate. Success. Terraform. Let me plan. Use output file. Plan with Terraform plan. So here I have this. So the next thing is to update Terraform. First of all, let me show you that as you see, I have any Docker container. Actually, I have those I created last time for MySQL and Apache. Now I will create a new one with the Terraform configuration file for Terraform apply. Here it comes. It is working. So it created this two Docker containers. The other question I was asked in this section is to check if they are on the same network. Actually, if I show you the core network list, I have this networks. This one now I created with Terraform, and this one I created manually on yesterday. Actually, WebNet is created from the main.tf file, which is stated somewhere here. So as you can see here, it is created as a Docker network because of this Terraform configuration. So the other thing I'm asked to check is I have to show you that if the WordPress and the DB are actually on the same network. So to show that, I have to enter into one of the containers. Okay. Let me copy it. So if we so it is running on 91903, and let me exit it and enter into the DB. Execute -id WordPress DB bash etc hosts. So they are on the same subnet, as you can see. So they are on the same network. We can ping one from the other. And let me once check if the DB is created inside MySQL. Docker MySQL yes, sure. So as we can see here, the database is created. Use WordPress. Okay, let me see if I write any table. So these tables are created. One other thing I have to show is that I must show you if the WordPress is accessible from the browser. To do that, I should see the IP of the on the LAN. Here it is the IP. So as you can see here, it is exposed on 8080. So on the host machine, the WordPress should be accessible. Let me show you that. Let me change the screen. Share. So here, let me say HTTP. Okay, 8080. So here, yes. Let me go into. Actually, it is opening, but it does not seem the real WordPress. So as you see, it is trying to open the WordPress. Welcome to Word. So this is your password. It is outlet and start talking. Okay, so it is trying to open the WordPress here. So it assures us we have installed the WordPress inside our VMware machine. Okay, let me again change the screen to the terminal. Here, the other thing I have to show is that I must show you the manual work on GitLab CI file. So I think it is initially as a Git repo. Yes, I have a GitLab CI file too. Yes. So as you see, here is the automated job. So it will validate, plan, and apply as I did on manually. So with this we can automate the job too, as the main primary role of a DevOps engineer is automating with infrastructures like infrastructure as a code or the Terraform. So I can create, as I showed you before in the WordPress repository, I can create a Git repo and push it so that we can install changes by just pushing into the Git. So more or less I have tried to show you my best honestly. So I hope I did good and you will get it interesting. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I believe we will work together and you will give me the chance to work with you too. Thank you very much. I want you to know that I have I did a lot so that I can qualify, and you will take it into account. I hope so. It's all about the technical interview. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.